We are starting the Chincheros pilgrimage. Few hours in this amazing place in nature in Peru near Cusco. It is the intention to have power to overcome all the difficulties, obstacles that life brings us, the challenges, to develop the personal power, the vital energy inside of us. We are going to a place called Sun Gate. It is a door, an opening in the top of a mountain where they make their ritual to worship the sun. So we'll do the same. And it's something that everybody should know for your life. But obstacles in life, you need the energy of the sun. In the India, they will tell you the third chakra.
This pilgrimage here in the mountains is a very deep existential experience of what happens when you put your energy here. Of course, here you put it in the path to make one step, but after the other you sweat. And you slowly, the more you go up, the lighter you feel, the more joy you feel, the more inspired, the more empty, the more silence you feel, the more connected to everything. Because this is the dharma of life, when your energy flows naturally to your life, to your external life, and this fills you. You become this beautiful channel, and of course, you help a lot of people around you like this. You share your energy, like the sun. Now we continue down to the cloud forest. It's not the jungle, but it's the cloud forest. This is amazing that here in such an altitude we have an ecosystem that they can have a forest full of alive plants and animals. It's really amazing. Now I can show you crossing the Andes, the mountains and the clouds, and it's a moment to contemplate, because today we'll have almost the whole day in the road and we have such amazing views that really leave us with no words, with nothing to say, just in a state of contemplation and admiration of the beauty of this place and the beauty of Earth. Sometimes the worst road takes us to the best place. Did you realize this? We came here to Santa Teresa in this beautiful valley, and we had to cross this terrible road full of sand with very crazy falls into the Andes. It was a bit scary. It was a bit difficult. Thanks God we have a very good driver. And we were looking through the window in the middle between amazed and scared. And we arrived to this amazing place in the middle of the Andes. We had some swims in pools. It's like a paradise. And it was a way to understand this. Yeah, sometimes we go and the question is, what if we would say no to this dangerous, ugly road? We would stay in Cusco, we would stay in the city, we would stay safe, but we would not come here. And I wanted to ask you, what if you say no to the risky roads in your life? So the question is, what are we missing when we say no to these scary roads in our life? Food for thoughts. What are we missing then? And what if we say yes? What if actually what is waiting for us is something amazing like this?
So, life is a pilgrimage. Life is exactly like a pilgrimage, a walk, a path. Through which you can achieve many things, experience many things, good and bad, easy and difficult, but overall, all these things will formulate who you are, will give you the feedback that you need to understand who you are, to fulfill yourself. Because in order to become truly happy, we need to understand who we are and give to ourselves the right ingredients for our life, the right things that we need. Usually we don't do this. We try to copy here and there different things to give to ourselves what we think that will make us happy, because we don't know what we truly want. We don't know ourselves. So in a pilgrimage like this we do now in Peru, or in the one that we will do in Spain, the Camino de Santiago, you will learn many things about how to manifest your dreams. You will contemplate. We will walk together for a week approximately in the beautiful nature, and nature will teach us many things. We'll have topics of contemplation and time to discuss the issues, the matters that are important for you in order to move your life further where you want it to take it. making this video from the amazing Amazon. I'm here in the Amazon jungle in Peru, and today I want to talk to you about this very deep spiritual concept. It is a dichotomy that many people face in their life when they had to take some decisions, when they are ready to make a choice in their life. And the dichotomy, the question that many also people have asked me is this: why shouldn't I take the easy way? So there is this question: the easy way or the right way? I'm shooting this video from the Amazon here. You see, this is a river which is boiling. It's a very unique place, the boiling river, where lives here a shaman. And we come here every year to do ayahuasca retreat. And I have made this choice to bring people here every year, once per year, because this is the right way to achieve the rising of our consciousness. Is there an easier way? Theoretically, there are some people who buy online ayahuasca, do it in their living room. Is this the right way though? Not really. The right way is here to make an effort, to put a very strong intention, to be something unique, because it is a unique thing to drink ayahuasca, to travel far away, because in this way you are going to really think seriously if you want to do it. If it is easy to drink ayahuasca a Friday evening after an invitation of somebody who calls you, hey, I have ayahuasca, come here, let's become wise. You are not becoming wise like this. This is an illusion. But yeah, many people follow this, even in this, they follow the easier way. But my experience and what I have discussed with other spiritual teachers and shamans who know the proper way for something so unique, so out of your ordinarity, that takes you away from what you knew and gives you a really big, shocking boost in your evolution, is to do something extraordinary. And of course, to make a so long trip to arrive to the Amazon and do here the ayahuasca, it is the right way. It demands a lot of effort, of course, money, effort, you need time, but this is something unique. You will not have it again in your life, and because of this, it has the power to change your life completely. It's a very simple question. What is the right way? If it seems to you hard or difficult, follow it.
Medicina. Respira. Suelta. Madre selva. Limpia. Abre. Corazón. Visión. Night.